Hello everyone, welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. On January 1, Grizzlies, Plantation Cove in Santana will be blessed with two of Jamaica's biggest veterans in the music industry who are scheduled for Intimate, one of the most anticipated local shows. Last evening, it was announced via Instagram that the physical tickets for the show have been sold out in all stores. During an interview with E-Prime, PR and marketing manager for Intimate, Ronnie Tomlinson, sought to assure fans that tickets will be available for the event at the venue.
Tickets are no longer available at the outlets, but what we are going to do is honor all the same prices. So 10,000 for general, 30,000 for VIP. We will be honoring those same price. Those were the pre-show prices at the box office day of show. So box office will open at 2 p.m. and from 2 p.m. to 9 p.m. we will honor the same ticket prices with no surcharge or anything. So you can get the tickets at the box office day of show for the same prices.
Intimate will be the first show in history to have both Buju and Barris performing on one set. There will also be performances from the likes of Marcia Griffiths, Lost, Mitch, Sampalu, and Mr. Singy himself, Taurus Riley. The show is set to begin at 5 o'clock. Jamaican reggae singing quartet Lost is celebrating 25 years in the music industry. Formed in 1997, the group, popularly known for their music and versatility, last Thursday released their first single, Ready to Party, which is featured on their 25th anniversary album set for release in 2023. The group has not yet agreed on a title, but says it will be announced soon. During an interview with E-Prime, group member Singing Melody gave us some insight on what they've been working on and a little bit about their upcoming projects.
We've been working really hard for the past 3.5 years, coming up with new ideas and so on and so on. Out of that, we built a brand new recording studio, which is Shem Music Productions and Media Limited. Of course, we just released a brand new single from the album, which is coming next year, Ready to Party, which is now number 3 on the iTunes Reggae chart. It's marketed by Contractor Music Marketing. We feel really nice to be a part of the Intimate concert with Buju and Barris. It's a very iconic show, and of course, we are very happy. We felt really good when we were asked to do the show, so we're honored to be a part of it, and you can look forward to a great show. What is to come, unexpected of us, is that we're celebrating our 25th anniversary tour, One Time 25.
The group is now preparing for their upcoming silver anniversary tour, which is aimed at music lovers in Canada, the United States, Europe, Jamaica, and the Caribbean. And before we go, rest in peace to football legend and icon, Brazilian Pelé. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.